What if the secret of feeling better wasn't in the morning, but right before you sleep? Just one simple drink. Most people focus on what they eat during the day, but what you take before bed can just be as powerful. Cloves may look small, but they are packed with natural compounds that can support digestion, immunity, and even your sleep quality. And when soaked in water and taken at night, their effects work gently while your body is resting. So, what really happens when you drink clove tea right before bedtime? Let's break it down. If you often go to bed feeling bloated, heavy, or uncomfortable, clove tea may just help. Cloves contain natural oils which support the digestive system. They help to reduce gas, ease bloating, and stimulate digestive enzymes. Drinking clove tea or clove water before bed allows your body to process food more smoothly overnight. So you wake up feeling lighter, not sluggish. For someone who enjoys meals, especially rich or late dinners, this can make a big difference. Let's talk about sleep. Clove water has mild calming properties that may help your body relax. It doesn't act like a sleeping pill, but it gently supports your nervous system. When digestion is calm and your body is relaxed, falling asleep becomes easier and more natural. If you struggle with restless nights or wake up feeling tired, this simple habit could support deeper, more refreshing sleep. It boosts immunity. While you sleep, your body goes into repair mode. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, which help fight harmful free radicals. They also have antibacterial and antiviral properties. Taking clove water or clove tea at night gives your body extra support during the recovery phase. Over time, this can help strengthen your immune system, making you more resistant to common illnesses. It helps with blood sugar balance. Clove water may also support healthy blood sugar levels. This is especially helpful if you experience late night cravings or energy crashes the next morning. Cloves can help improve insulin function and slow down sugar absorption. That means fewer spikes and drops and more stable energy throughout the day. It helps to freshen the breath and also oral health. Here is a simple but powerful benefit: oral health. Cloves have been used for centuries to support healthy gums and teeth. Drinking clove water before bed helps reduce bacteria in the mouth, which can improve bad breath and overall oral hygiene. It's like giving your mouth a natural cleanse before you sleep. It may support weight management. If you're trying to maintain a healthy weight, clove water can be a helpful addition. By improving digestion and reducing late night cravings, it supports better eating habits. It also helps your metabolism work more efficiently, especially overnight when your body is repairing itself. While it's not magic, it's a small habit that can support bigger lifestyle changes. Making clove water is simple and affordable. Take about 2 to 3 cloves, soak them in a cup of warm water, let it sit for a few hours or overnight. Take it before bed. You can drink it slightly warm or room temperature. If it feels too strong, start with just 2 cloves. Actually, 2 cloves are enough. Maximum you can do is like 3 because it's an extremely powerful spice. As powerful as cloves are, moderation is important. Too much can irritate the stomach or cause discomfort. Stick to small amounts once a day. And if you're pregnant, on medication, or have a health condition, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional first. Sometimes, the simplest habits bring the best changes. A small cup of clove water before bed could quietly support your digestion, your sleep, and overall health. Try it for a few nights and pay attention to how your body responds. Because better health doesn't always start in the morning, sometimes it begins in the night.